Go, Buster!
Buster and Mommy Bus are visiting Terry's farm today. Wow, the farm is so cool. Buster is so excited. Oh, look, an adorable litter of puppies. How cute. Buster has spotted a soccer ball. He loves soccer. Mommy Bus is here to check that all the puppies are healthy, but Buster has other ideas. He wants to go and play some soccer on the farm. What was that? One of the puppies followed Buster outside. Looks like she wants to play. But Buster wants to play by himself. There she is again. The puppy won't stop following him. Buster is throwing the puppy a stick to distract her. That will make her leave. Nope, that didn't work. And now the puppy has taken the soccer ball. What a cheeky little puppy. Aha! Finally, Buster got his ball back. But the puppy still wants to play. Stay there, puppy. Buster is hiding behind a stack of hay bales. Not again! Maybe Buster can lose the puppy in the cornfield. The puppy is sad she can't find him, but Buster's plan worked. Oh no! How did that puppy get up there? She's going to fall! And Mommy Bus and Terry haven't noticed. Quick, Buster, quick! Go, Buster! Phew! He saved the puppy! That was a close one! Mommy Bus has noticed a puppy is missing. But don't worry, Buster has brought her home. What a fun day at the farm! Uh-oh, not again! It's Buster's birthday! Mommy and Grandpa are setting up a very special party. Don't eat the food yet, Buster. You've got to wait until your guests arrive. Oh, look, here they are. It's Scout, Ash, and Bandit. Everyone's so excited for the party. What's Bandit up to? That cake looks yummy. Not yet, Bandit. First, we're playing party games. They're playing musical statues. They have to dance until the music stops. Great move, Scout. And freeze. Oh no, Scout is losing balance. And so is Buster. They are out of the game. It's only Bandit and Ash left. And dance. Bandit is losing balance. Oh no! He knocked Ash over so he could win. And now Ash is out of the game. But Grandpa didn't see Bandit cheating. That wasn't very nice, Bandit. Now they're playing Pass the Parcel. They pass the present, and when the music stops, they can take off the wrapping paper. Hooray for Ash! Bandit has cheated again! He took the parcel after the music stopped. Poor Ash. Bandit isn't playing very fair. Buster is telling Bandit that he's making Ash feel upset. He needs to think about how his actions affect the feelings of others. It's time for some birthday cake. Blow out the candles! Go, Buster! What a feast! All the delicious food has been eaten. Well, almost. Don't worry, Ash. Have some birthday cake. Bandit feels really bad for making Ash sad. Bandit is really sorry and gives Ash his ball back.
Whoa.
It's okay, Bandit. Ash forgives you. But remember, it's not all about the winning. It's about having fun together. Buster's kindness saved the party. Happy birthday, Buster. It's time for the annual nature race, which Daddy Bus has organized. This is going to be so much fun! Ash and Buster are going to work together. They need to race through the woods as fast as they can, and the first one back gets the shiny trophy. Get set, go, go, go! Bandit has overtaken Buster and Ash. He really wants to win. What is he up to? He's changed the sign! So Buster and Ash are going the wrong way! Oh no! Huh? There's no more path! This can't be right! And what's that? A huge tire print! Ash thinks it must be a monster. Nope, don't worry, Ash. Monsters aren't real. Uh-oh, I think they're lost, but they need to keep going. They're slowing down. Oh dear, they're stuck in the mud. What are they going to do? What is that? It sounds like a monster! Ah! Ah! Don't worry, it's just a monster truck, and they're very friendly. She's pulling Ash out of the mud. Wow, she's strong! And now it's Buster's turn. This monster truck is called Mira. She's lost too, just like them. Buster says they can work as a team. There's Naughty Bandit. He's almost at the finish line. But look, Buster and his friends are ahead. They ended up taking a shortcut. Hooray! Mira won the race, but she couldn't have done it without her new friends. And she's won the trophy! Yippee! But Mira feels sad for Bandit being on his own. She knows what that feels like. Bandit feels bad for cheating in the big race. Don't worry, Bandit. There's no need to cheat when you have friends by your side. And it's always fun to make new friends. Mommy Bus and Ashley are having a relaxing day in, while Buster and Ash play tag. Oops! Watch out, Buster! Maybe Buster and Ash should play outside instead. Wow! Look at all that snow! What should they play? Oh, Buster knows a good game. How about cops and robbers? Ash can be the cop, and Buster can be the robber. Grandpa Bus is struggling to turn that hose on. Can Ash catch Buster? Oops, nearly. Oh, watch out, Grandpa. The hose is spraying water all over the shed. It's a bit hard to control. Oh, look! Buster has spotted the shed as a good hiding place. Off he goes, with Ash not far behind. Ash got him! Well done! Oh no! The water on the shed is freezing into icicles. They're trapped! Buster and Ash are honking their horns for help, but no one can hear them. What else can they try? Oh, Buster has a new idea. Buster is trying to push Ash through the window, but he doesn't quite fit. Oh, there's Grandpa Bus. Quick, try to get his attention. He's seen them. But, oh dear, Grandpa Bus thinks they're just playing a game. What can they do now? Oh, a fishing rod. Buster has an idea. Grandpa Bus is really looking forward to eating his sandwich. But, oh no, it's snatched away. Buster is using the fishing rod to hook the sandwich and get Mommy Bus's attention. Go, Buster! It worked! Mommy Bus has spotted them. Mommy Bus to the rescue. What's she got there? Ah, Mommy Bus is using a hairdryer to melt the icicles. What a good idea! But they're melting very slowly. This could take a while. She's determined it will work. Nearly there. Buster and Ash are free at last. Thanks, Mommy. And everything is back to normal. Daddy Bus and Buster are visiting the river today. What are they going to get up to? Oh, boats! How exciting! Buster wants to ride the boat. But wait, not yet. First, Daddy Bus wants to teach Buster how to tie a strong knot so the boat doesn't float away. Daddy Bus has tied a great knot. Now it's Buster's turn. Aw, nearly there. That's okay, Buster. Tying strong knots is really hard. Daddy Bus is going to show Buster how to do it again. But Buster isn't very interested in tying knots. The boat is right there, and Daddy is concentrating very hard on his knot. Buster's off. This is much more fun. Oh no, the boat wasn't tied to the dock. The river is carrying Buster away. Buster's trying to paddle back, but he can't seem to steer. Daddy Bus to the rescue. Uh-oh, that boat has a leak. He needs to find another way. Buster is floating even further down the river. Careful, Daddy Bus. What's Buster going to do? Oh, there's a bridge. Buster's grabbing on. Phew. Oh no, the pole broke off. Daddy Bus just missed him. Look out! Uh-oh, Buster has spotted rocks ahead. But he can use the wooden pole to steer away from them. It's working! Good thinking, Buster. Oh no, the pole snapped! And look, a waterfall ahead! What's Daddy pointing to? A rope! Perfect! The waterfall isn't far away now. You can do it! Go, Buster! Nice throw! Daddy Bus is pulling Buster back to the shore. Nearly there. Just a bit further. Phew! Back on dry land. Now Buster and Daddy are fishing instead. That's much more relaxing. Buster, Bandit, and Mira are outside playing with their soccer ball. Daddy Bus is fishing. He hasn't caught any fish yet. Buster has some great skills. Whoa, and so does Mira. That's a big kick, Bandit. Watch out, Mira. Oh no, the ball knocked Mira's hat off. Where did it go? It's not over here. It's definitely not over there. Mira is upset that her favorite hat is missing. Don't worry, Mira. We'll help you find it. Buster has an idea. We can look for the hat using our imagination. Now we can turn the search into a fun game. Off they go. It's time to look for that hat. Whoa, those are very big footprints. They decide to follow them and see where they go. Stop! What's that up ahead? It's a dinosaur! And he's wearing Mira's hat! Uh-oh! Run! They're going as fast as they can, but the dinosaur isn't far behind. And Buster spots a big volcano up ahead. They've got to get over that puddle. Buster and Mira make it, but oh no! Bandit gets stuck! Buster is trying to help Bandit get out. Uh-oh! The dinosaur caught up with them! He looks very scary. But what's the dinosaur doing? He's seen his reflection, and I think he likes the hat. But that's Mira's hat, and she wants it back. Looks like she has an idea. Wow! Nice shot, Mira! The ball knocked the hat right off. Oh no! But looks like the hat is flying straight towards the volcano. How are they going to get it back now? Buster can do it using his imagination. It's Super Buster! Off he flies to save the hat. It's getting closer and closer to the volcano. He needs to be quick. Go, Buster! He got it! Thanks, Buster. You're a great friend. They played a fun game, and Mira got her favorite hat back. Everything is more fun when you use your imagination. Daddy Bus is reading a book about wildlife. There are so many amazing animals. Bah! What was that? Buster's taking photos with his new camera. What a silly picture, Daddy. It's given Daddy an idea. Daddy Bus and Buster are on a wildlife scavenger hunt to find this red and blue butterfly. Wow! Buster is determined to find it. There it is! Buster, behind you! Oh no, they didn't see it. Maybe the butterfly is hiding in that long grass? Let's check it out. Oh, look! Buster has spotted something. Snap! Wait a second. It wasn't the red butterfly. It was Ash, the fire truck, with his mommy. Buster takes a photo for them. What a nice thing to do, Buster. Buster, look up! Quick! There's the butterfly! Oh no, he missed it again! Aha! Buster knows where they should look next. Maybe the butterfly will be by the lake. There it is! There's the butterfly! Steady, Buster. Don't scare it away. Oh, no. Don't worry, Buster. You just have to be patient. What's that? It's red and blue. Oh, no, not again. It was just teacher's red bow tie. It's a great photo, though, Buster. Poor Buster. He's upset he hasn't found the butterfly yet. It's okay, Buster. You just need to be patient. There it is! Buster, look up! Buster, look up! That's it. Take a deep breath and be patient. He's getting some amazing photos of all the wildlife. There's the butterfly! Quick! Go, Buster! He finally managed to get the photo, and it was definitely worth the wait. It's Christmas Eve. Buster is so excited he can barely stay still. He can't wait for Christmas Day. Daddy has a Christmas cracker for Buster. Who's going to win? Pull, Buster! Whoa! Well done, Daddy! But now it's time for bed, or else Santa won't come. Look! Buster's dreaming about the presents. He hopes his present will be the biggest present ever. It's Christmas Day, and Buster and Daddy are going to Mommy's house. Buster can't wait! Buster's so excited to see the presents, he's rushing. Buster is wondering where's his present. This one is for Mommy. Daddy's present. One for Grandpa. Is the small one for him? Buster is a bit disappointed. Oops! The labels have come off. Oh no! Buster doesn't know whose present is whose. Buster hopes the labels are on the right presents. It's time to open the presents. Mommy, Grandpa, and Daddy roll up to find Buster sneaking a look at the presents. Grandpa has some weights. That doesn't seem right. Mommy has some glasses, but Mommy can't see with them. And Daddy has a stethoscope. That doesn't seem right either. Oh no! The presents got mixed up. Nobody has the right presents. Maybe Buster can work out which present belongs to who. The weights must be for Daddy. He's really strong. And the stethoscope is for Mommy because she's a vet. And the glasses are for Grandpa. Good job, Buster. It's just Buster's small present left. What is inside? Oh, a camera! Buster loves it! He's going to take a selfie with his family. Merry Christmas, Buster. It's almost Christmas, but looks like it hasn't snowed yet. Aw. What is Buster doing? Buster has made a Christmas picture frame for his best friend, Scout. It looks amazing. Well done, Buster. He wants to give Scout the present right now, but he's got to get ready first. It's starting to snow. Ta-da! It's Santa Buster! He's dressed up as Santa. Time to take the present to Scout. She's going to be so happy. Oh no! There's so much snow! How are they going to reach the Christmas market? Careful, Buster. Ice can be very slippery. Uh-oh, Buster is sliding all over the place. Look out! Oopsie! Daddy to the rescue. It's all right, Buster. I think Daddy has an idea. I wonder what Daddy is doing. Wow, a sled! They can cross the snow on that. Yuppie, this is going to be fun! Oh, Buster, wait! Buster's going so fast, Daddy can barely keep up. Oh, slow down, Buster! It's lucky he landed in that big pile of snow. Oh, Daddy is in trouble too! Look out! Aw, maybe next time Buster should wait for Daddy to help. Oh no! The sled is broken! How are they going to get to the market now? But maybe Buster has an idea. Aha! Buster stuck 2 bits of the broken sled together. What's he built? Oh, it's a snowplow! Go, Buster! They've done it! They've reached the road safely. Now to get the present to Scout. There's Scout at the Christmas market. And here's Buster. Time to give her the present at last. Aww. Scout loved her present. She's feeling so grateful. Well done, Buster, and Merry Christmas. Everyone is having fun at the Christmas market. There's Buster. He's having a candy apple. So yummy. Whoa, Mommy Bus has a present. Is that for Buster? It is! But Mommy says to wait until Christmas to open the present. Buster doesn't want to wait. He wants to open the present now. But he'll have to wait. Throw the ball to knock down the cans. That's Mommy's favorite game. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Buster's going to try to look at the present while Mommy is distracted. Buster shouldn't really be doing that. What is inside? Here's Bandit. Oh, look out! Oh no, the present is flying off across the market. Quick, they have to get the present back before Mommy notices it's gone. The present is on the ice rink. Quick, Bandit, grab it. Oopsie. Buster will have to try and get it now. So close. Ah, so close. Mommy Bus still hasn't noticed the missing present. She's having so much fun. Oh, there's the present. Can Bandit and Buster get it back before Mommy notices? Ah, whoops. Where's the present gone now? Oh, look, the Wonder Wheel. It's Ash, and there's the present. Oh no, he dropped it. Go, Buster. Great catch. Phew. Well done, Buster. Look, Mommy put all the cans down. Hooray, she won a teddy bear. They've got the present back just in time. Mommy is in such a good mood, she's going to let Buster look at the present, if he still wants to. But Buster has learned his lesson. He's going to wait. It's finally Christmas Day, and Buster can open the present at last. Whoa! It's a new soccer ball! That's why it was so bouncy! Merry Christmas, Buster! It's a sunny day at Buster's house. Oh, look! Mommy Bus is helping a kitten with a sore leg. There, all fixed and bandaged up. Scout is here to drive to school with Buster. They are playing in the playground. Oh dear! Scout hurt her tire. Buster's got an idea. What is he up to? He's bandaged up Scout's tire with toilet roll. All fixed! Great work, Buster! Looks like Ash wants to be bandaged up as well. And now Scout wants her other tires bandaged up. But Buster is all out of toilet roll. Bandit has a cheeky idea. They're all taking the toilet roll. They're getting the toilet roll everywhere. This looks very messy. They're getting a bit carried away. Oh dear, they've covered the playground in toilet roll. Teacher doesn't seem very pleased. Mommy Bus is here to take Buster home. She wonders what has upset the teacher. Buster explains he was trying to help Scout like Mommy helped the kitten. Mommy will be able to bandage it properly. Time to get properly fixed up. Buster and his friends look so excited. What's going on? Oh, wow! Mommy has set up an Easter egg hunt for them. What's that? I think Scout is really excited about having some yummy chocolate. Ready, and go! Everyone's going to look for the Easter eggs. Oops! Try not to bump into each other. Nice! Ash found an egg in that tree. He's rushing back and putting it in the basket so they can all share it later. Good job, Ash! Ooh, I think Buster has seen an egg too. Wait, this is just the wrapping paper. Where's the chocolate egg gone? Buster's disappointed. But look, there's another egg by the bush. This one's just wrapping too. Someone has taken the chocolate. Very strange. Oh dear, Ash is worried. They haven't found enough eggs to share around. But it's okay. They'll just have to keep looking. What's this? Another empty bit of wrapping. There's Bandit. He's sneaky. Maybe he's been stealing all the chocolate? He's got some eggs. But look, he's putting them in the basket. It's not Bandit who's stealing them. Look, there goes Scout. She'll know what to do. But wait. Is that chocolate around Scout's mouth? She's the one stealing all the eggs. Look, Scout hid all the eggs she found behind that bush. She loves chocolate so much, she wanted them all to herself. But she's very sorry. She knows sharing is the right thing to do. Buster forgives her, but they'd better clean that chocolate off her face. There, Mommy can share them out equally. Ash, Bandit, Buster, Scout. Everyone gets some yummy Easter eggs. Buster looks so excited. I wonder why. A storybook. Buster wants Mommy to read to him. Buster loves a good fairy tale. Mommy's reading Buster the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. When the bears had gone out, Goldilocks came to the window. She tried their porridge, but the first bowl was too hot. Buster thinks that's very funny. But look at the time. Mommy can't read all day. Buster's upset. He wants to know what happens next in the story. But Mommy knows what to do. Maybe Grandpa can read to Buster? Grandpa is out watering the plants, but Buster wants him to read more of the storybook. Yes, Grandpa can read to him for a bit. He loves stories of great adventures and brave heroes. What's happening now? Goldilocks sits on a chair that's too small, and it breaks. How funny! Buster loves this story. But what's this? Mommy says it's time for dinner. The rest of the story will have to wait. Buster has some nice fish fingers and vegetables for dinner, but he's eating them all really fast. He wants to get back to the story as soon as possible. Mommy and Grandpa are still eating. They can't read to him right now. Buster really wants to know what happens next. Look! He's trying to read it himself. He's not very good at reading, but he's trying really hard. Wow! He's getting it! Mommy and Grandpa are so proud of him. Good job, Buster. But oh dear, he's getting sleepy too. Mommy's reading the book to Buster as a bedtime story. Now Goldilocks is asleep in the bear's bed. Oh look, Buster has fallen asleep. Aw, he'd had such a busy day, he couldn't stay awake for the end. Good night, Buster. Buster is having so much fun playing on his drum kit. Oops, there goes a drumstick. It's rolling over to Mommy. What's Mommy doing? Oh, she's clearing out all Buster's old toys, the ones he doesn't use anymore. I wonder what's inside. Look, Buster's baby drum. He remembers that. Mommy is going to recycle it so someone else can enjoy it. Buster is sad, but he has a bigger, better drum kit now. But Buster wants to keep his little drum. He doesn't like to let go. Here's Scout with her tambourine. She's come round to play. Hooray! Time to make some music. Buster and Scout are ready to play. And here's Ash, too. He's come to listen. Now Buster and Scout have an audience. They're ready to rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Buster and Scout are really grooving. Nice work, guys. Scout shakes the tambourine. Buster bangs the drums. Oh, he's trying to play his little drum at the same time. That doesn't work so well. He's trying to do too much at once. Oops! Aw, Ash wants to join in, but he doesn't have an instrument. And Buster has one too many. What's he going to do?
Oh.
Buster is giving his little drum to Ash to play. Now Ash can play along, and all three of them can have fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There! That sounds even better than before! At the end of the day, Ash is going to give the drum back. But Buster knows he doesn't need 2 drums. He wants Ash to keep it. Ash is so happy! What a kind thing Buster did. It's a sunny day, and Daddy Bus is taking Buster on a trip to the beach. Buster says goodbye to Mommy Bus, and off they go. Hooray! But oh dear! Otis is blocking their path. The road is closed. Buster is very upset. But looks like Daddy has an idea. It's a lovely lake. And they can go fishing instead. Buster is disappointed though, as he wanted to go to the beach. Daddy teaches him how to fish. Wow, now it's Buster's turn. Buster is bored. This isn't as fun as the beach. Why is Daddy so excited? Hang on, something is tugging on Daddy's line. What could it be? Whoa! Daddy has caught a huge fish. It's so big, Daddy isn't strong enough. Buster joins in and helps. Watch out, Buster! Oops! They've been pulled into the water. And the fish is finding this very funny. Buster and Daddy Bus won't give up that easily. Looks like they've got a new plan. The fish is swimming in the lake. Daddy casts his fishing line. And the fish pulls once again. It's another tug of war. Look, there's Buster floating in the lake. Aha! Gotcha! Buster caught the fish with his net. Go, Buster! Daddy is very proud. Well done, Buster. The fish swims away. See you next time, Fishy. Fishing was lots of fun after all. Daddy Bus is taking Buster, Bandit, and Scout on a camping trip in the woods. It's time to set up the campsite. First, they've got to put up their tents.
Yay!
Daddy is showing them how. He's hammering in the pegs to stop the tent from blowing away. Look, they are keeping the tent in place. Aha! All done! Whilst Daddy Bus collects wood for the fire, Buster and his friends are finishing their tents. What was that? Bandit has some marshmallows. Yummy! Oh no! Buster didn't hammer the pegs in properly. The tent has come loose. He can't see a thing. Watch out, Scout! Uh-oh, it's blowing away! Will Buster be able to catch it? Scout and Bandit join in to help. Go, Buster! You can do it! Aha! It's finally fallen to the ground. Oh dear, not again! Daddy Bus, look out! Oops! The firewood has gone flying. Phew, he's okay. Time to finally put the tent up. Let's make sure all the pegs are in this time, Buster. Great job! I wonder what Daddy Bus has planned next. Wow! They're roasting marshmallows. Delicious! What a brilliant day! The end of school. And it's time for Scout to return the school flower that she'd been taking care of. Now whose turn is it to take it home and care for it? Hooray! It's Buster's turn! Buster is going really slowly. He wants to make sure he takes good care of the flower. It's time to say goodbye to Scout and Ash. Whoa! Careful, Buster! That was a close one. Buster is so happy to be caring for the flower that he's drawn a picture of it. He's even brought it to dinner. I don't think it eats carrots, Buster. It needs water instead to make sure it grows strong. But now it's time for bed. Good night, flower. The next morning, Buster is super excited for school. Careful, Buster. You don't want to knock the flower. Oh, no! The flower has smashed. What is Buster doing? He's hiding it because he's afraid he'll get in trouble. Buster is pretending to be ill. But he doesn't have a temperature. Oh, now Mommy understands. Buster doesn't want to go to school with the smashed flower. He thinks he's let everyone down. But Mommy knows what to do. They'll put the flower in a brand new pot. It looks even better than before. There, good as new. Buster returns the flower to class. Everyone is really impressed with its lovely new pot. Good job, Buster. Now it's Ash's turn to take care of it. Hooray! Ash is coming round to play at Buster's house. They're really excited to play some board games. Today's game is Snakes and Ladders. How exciting! And Ash gets to go first. 5 and 2. That's 7. So Ash moves his counter 7 spaces. Now it's Buster's turn. 8. Along the counter goes. Now it's Ash's turn again. Oh, wow! He's rolled very well. He's going up a ladder. Now Buster. 5. Oh dear! Down the snake he goes. Buster's not doing well. Oops! He knocked over his counter. What's that? Here comes Grandpa with lots of other toys to play with, but he's dropped them all. Ash is helping to pick them all up. But no one is watching Buster. Oh no! He moved his counter up. But that's cheating. Oh no! He's moved it to the finish line like he's won the game. Now Ash is back. Looks like the game is over. Buster won. Ash doesn't understand how that happened, but he's happy for his friend. That's odd. Buster should feel happy he won, but he doesn't feel right. Not right at all. Buster cheated. He didn't win fair and square, so it feels all wrong. But Grandpa knows it's not all about winning. It's playing the game that's the fun part. And now it's Ash's turn. Ash rolls. Whoa, he almost went down the snake. Buster goes down another snake and… there! Ash won fair and square. But Buster is happy for his friend. They had so much fun playing together. It's evening time, and Buster's cousin Bandit is coming for a sleepover. This is going to be so much fun. First, it's time for a snack. I wonder what it will be. Oh, wow! Cookies! They look so tasty! Buster and Bandit love cookies. There, one each. Yummy! Now Mommy's put them away. But Bandit knows where they are. Bandit and Buster have such a fun evening playing together. But then it's time for bed. They want to stay up longer, but Mommy says no. I think Bandit has an idea. I wonder what he's whispering. Now everyone's fast asleep. But what's this? Bandit's waking up. Buster too. They're sneaking back downstairs. Oh, Bandit is going to steal some more cookies. That's very naughty. Oops, that made a loud noise. Mommy's caught them. She's very disappointed in Buster and Bandit. The two little buses are very sorry. They'll go back to bed now as they're told. But the next morning, Buster and Bandit have surprised Mommy by making breakfast. They wanted to show how sorry they were. It's a bright, sunny day, and Buster wants to play outside. But what's this? He's left his toys all over the floor. Buster knows he should clean them up, but he really wants to go and play. Whoa! Buster's cleaning up all the toys super fast. But not very well. Oh dear, he's knocked that glass over. And now his mopping up has left water everywhere. Soon, Buster is outside playing. What was that? Mommy slipped on all the water. Oh dear, the room is still such a mess. Buster feels really bad for not cleaning up well. But he can make it all better. He just has to clean up properly and take his time to do it right. Mommy and Buster can do it together, like it's a game. Chores are so much easier to do when you find the fun in them. And they're so much faster if you work together. There, Buster is even cleaning up that drink he spilled. Perfect! The room is all tidy at last.
Oh.
Now Buster and Mommy can go and play ball together. Hooray!